In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a data extract in Tableau. Whether you're working with business data, academic research, or simply preparing a visual presentation, understanding how to extract data in Tableau can be incredibly beneficial. So let's dive into the process and walk through it together. First, you'll need to launch the Tableau app. Once you open Tableau, you'll find yourself on the Start page. From here, you want to access the worksheet where you plan to work. This worksheet will be your main canvas for creating data visualizations, and it's where all the magic happens. Next, you'll look for the new data source icon, which is represented by a can icon. Clicking this icon opens up the data connection interface, which is the gateway to bringing various types of data into Tableau. At this point, you'll want to connect to your desired data source. Tableau is versatile, allowing you to choose from various data formats such as Excel, text files, JSON, and more. Depending on your needs, select the appropriate data source. Once you've chosen your data source, it's time to select the file from your device. Simply browse your files, select the one you want, and click Open. With your data source connected, you want to save your work by clicking on the Save to Tableau public icon. This not only helps secure your progress, but also prepares the groundwork for creating data extracts. Now it's time to create the data extract. Click on the Create Data Extract option. This step is crucial as it allows Tableau to work more efficiently with large data sets by storing a subset of your data that Tableau can quickly query. After clicking, you'll see options that allow you to edit the data extract. Here, you can customize the extract by selecting which data to include. Take your time to refine this to meet your specific requirements. Once satisfied, click Save Settings. This action saves all the adjustments you've made to your dataset. Additionally, you have the option to add filters. By clicking Add, you can further refine the data by setting conditions or parameters that tell Tableau what specific data to focus on. Filters can be a powerful way to zero in on particular data points or ranges that are of most interest to you. Finally, to trigger the actual creation of the data extract, click on a Sheet tab within Tableau. This action tells Tableau to save all selections and settings into a neatly compiled extract, which will be ready for use in your visualizations. There you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to create a data extract in Tableau. This skill will help you as you work through your data analysis and presentation tasks. With practice, you'll be able to do it quickly and efficiently. Happy analyzing!